Hi guys, and today I'm back for another video. So let's get started. I'm going to be checking the birds, and I've got some good news too. As you can see, there's all the free babies in there. There's the father. And the female's there. I think she's got eggs there. You can see under her, she's got an egg. She's got some eggs. So that's, she's got some eggs, I think, there. So yeah. Now we'll go to these ones. Red mosaic gate male there for his babies. And the females on the nest. And these also have eggs. So that's good. Now to these. Only got one baby that survived, yeah. There. So yeah. Also here, this is our red mosaic gate male canary. This is female there. And they've got babies in there. I think 3 of them, 3 babies. So that's good. Also, we've got a new canary here. Very nice canary, which was bought with this female. So now to our budgies. As you can see, there's the male budgie eating lettuce. Spinach. There's the baby in there. Green, if you see it in the light. Greeny blue. Now to these. This couple, budgies. They've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 eggs. Also moved our Budgies Finches into the flight, and it's getting hotter. It's spring, soon it'll be summer, so that's good. Be good for them. Now to the flight. You can see there's one of the babies there on top. We've got our other 2 babies on the bottom. One's there. One's here. So yeah. Also got the rest of them up here. So time for this wild bird and canary. Right. As you can see, the green finch up there. Also we've got a canary male there. Oh, canary female on the nest there, sitting. So yeah, that's good. Hopefully we'll have babies from her. So bye guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.